Total Piping Solutions presents the Quick Cam Wide Range Pipe Repair Clamp, another unique patent-pending product designed to save time, labor, and inventory dollars in the water, wastewater, oil, and natural gas industries. The Quick Cam Repair Clamp possesses a number of distinct features. The clamp includes an easy-to-install lug system, complete with an integrated handle for ease of handling, plus drop-in bolts for trouble-free tightening, allowing quick and efficient installation. A patent-pending starter bolt feature is included to allow the clamp to be easily assembled onto the pipe. Moreover, it has twice the range of standard clamps, and the patent-pending cam-tip lugs may be easily removed to allow the clamp band to be passed under a pipe located in tight places. Once the clamp is in place on the pipe, the lug can be reassembled by simply sliding it back onto the band. The Quick Cam Repair Clamp offers a high-performance no-weld design with heavy-duty cast lugs available in an all 304 stainless steel or optional E-coated ductile iron lug system, plus nuts, bolts, and washers in either 304 stainless or Core 10 corrosion-resistant carbon steel materials. Both nuts and bolts are coated with a fluoroelastomer coating to prevent galling during installation. The Quick Cam Repair Clamp exhibits patent-pending gasket features that allow for rapid 360-degree sealing at up to 200 psi hydrostatic working pressure and up to 125 psi gas working pressure through 12-inch diameter sizes. This is best-in-class performance. All Quick Cam repair clamps are qualification tested at 1.5 times rated working pressure on a beam brake simulation test fixture per AWWA C230-11 standard for full encirclement repair clamps. This ensures full 360-degree sealing for repairing circumferential pipe breaks. The gasket is compounded for water, wastewater, sewage, oil, and gas. It also meets the ANSI NSF 61 Safe Drinking Water Standard. The gasket has a patented 3-stage sealing system consisting of multiple 360-degree dual O-ring seal beads, a deep waffled matte-type seal, and quick sealing multiple header beads directly under the spanner plate. This system ensures a 360-degree seal on all common pipe material, including steel, ductile iron, cast iron, PVC, asbestos cement, and high-density polyethylene. No spring washers required for high-density polyethylene pipe. The Quick Cam clamp includes a double range body, allowing a substantial reduction in clamp inventory. This means there is no need for extra on-hand sizes to accommodate the local market requirements for repairing breaks, holes, and splits in water, sewer, oil, and natural gas piping systems. Inventory reduction of 50% can be easily achieved with the Quick Cam Repair Clamp. Product lengths include 9, 12, 15, 24, and 30-inch length options. The Quick Cam Repair Clamp is available in single panel 0.90-inch range, design up to 12-inch diameters. It is also available in a user-friendly double panel 1.8-inch range, up to 24-inch diameters, and a triple panel 2.7-inch range for 30 to 36-inch diameters. There you have it, a single product with added range, fewer sizes, and a 360-degree sealing capability that exceeds AWWA C230.